VLookup is a function that allows you to search for a value in the first column of a range and retrieve a corresponding value in the same row from another column. It's an incredibly useful tool for quickly finding information in large datasets or tables. Here's how you can set up a VLookup formula. You go VLookup, lookup evac value, table array, col index num, range lookup. Step 1. Open your Excel workbook and select the cell J4. Step 2. Enter formula in G4 type. VLookup open parenthesis. Lookup value is J3. Make this phrase by pressing F4. Table array is A2 to D14. Make phrase this also, just press F4. Here we need name. Name is in column 2, so enter 2 for column index number, then enter 0 and close parenthesis. Step 3. Copy down formula, just change column number to 3 as score is in third column. You can change IDs to see whether it is applied or not.